In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to export your video in MP4 format using CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and make sure your editing is complete. To export the final version, click on the export button located at the top right corner, or you can simply press the shortcut Ctrl+E. A pop-up export menu will appear. Here you can rename your video by tapping the name box and choosing where you want to save the file. Under the video settings, set your resolution to 180p for high quality, keep the recommended bitrate and select 30 frames per second for smooth playback. Most importantly, check the format is set to MP4. After adjusting everything, click the export button at the bottom right of the pop-up. Your video will begin exporting, and once it's done, you can check the file properties to confirm it has been saved in MP4 format. And that's it. That's how you export videos as MP4 in CapCut. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.